Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special Hummer. It's a 2009 limited edition Hummer H2. Got the owner here to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Eddie?
Very good, thank you.
Man, what a truck!
Yes, it is. We're very happy. My wife loves it very much. Who's her baby?
Oh, you know, they only made 250 of these. This particular model is a limited edition. It's in silver ice metallic. So in that production year, the silver ice, they matched the flares, they matched the sills, they matched the mirrors, they matched the front grille. And there's a lot of things about this truck are unique to that limited edition package, including the silver ice metallic. And then Eddie did a couple things to it. Got a lift. What is that, a 4-inch?
It's a 5-inch lift.
5-inch.
Box 5-inch lift.
That's good.
With real Bilstein shocks and front box shocks. In front they have gas reservoirs.
Cool. No expense spared. And then in addition to that, it has front. It's got the grille. It's painted silver to match the silver ice. It's got the chrome package, so it's got the chrome upper grille, chrome bezels around the driving lights. It's got the matching caps up here in silver ice metallic. The rails up top are also silver ice metallic, which is part of that package. Then you got the chrome hooks, the chrome gills on the side. She blinged out the H2, which I think looks pretty fantastic. It's sitting on, these are new 37s, 37 by 12.5, and they're new Baja Boss. They actually have,
Pretty common.
yeah, by Mickey Thompson, and they have very little road noise. These are the new ones. Sitting on Moto metal chrome wheels. Those are 20s. Those look brand new. Are those new?
Oh, they just put on 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Gorgeous. Chrome handles too. This is part of the chrome package through Hummer. She added these bezels around the indicators. Also the bezels around the rear tail lights and the upper tail light. That chrome piece up there was also added. Up top, that was added too. That's a chrome bezel around the driving light. Comes with the chrome hooks. Also silver ice on the bottom valance there. Man, I love her plate, bro. So cool. Just gorgeous. Very rare truck. I like the 08s and 09s because they have a specific interior. So pretty too. So the truck shop did a couple other things too, right?
Yes,
Changed the gears.
truck shop, what they did, they put racing gears, 456 gears front and rear,
Yeah.
to equal out for the size of tires and to get out of the hole very well too if you need to.
Yeah, so she moves, I bet.
She wrote, yes, he does.
On the inside, it's loaded. These trucks come very loaded with the limited edition package. So standard gives you the DVD, the sunroof, buckets in the back. So it gives you access to the third row. You just walk right through. Navigation, dual climate zones. And showing 70,226 miles. Automatic headlights. She also added these steps with lights. They're automatic retracting lights. Bose stereo. Love these buckets too. Very desirable. Got the all-weather mats as well. That is an option too. Pretty truck, man. You know, you don't really see him in this condition.
Thank you. Yes, she really took care of it very well.
Garage kept, I bet.
Always.
Oh. Heated front and rear seats. This is a very special truck. Not only is it loaded, it's a limited edition. Some very nice ads too. Looks like brand new shocks under there.
Yes, they just put on too, yes.
Wow. Love the retractable steps too, very cool.
Very big on the maintenance. This truck never saw 4,500 miles when an oil change had to get done. Always synthetic oil.
Wow.
Yeah, we have all records to that. We're very big on that.
Great.
Servicing.
Cool. Love it. Super special. Love the retracts too. Very cool. It's really nice with the 5-inch lift too. It's not like, it's nice and level.
Yes, that's very much.
A lot of the times they'll they sag in the back. Did this at the truck shop in Patchogue, right?
They're actually in
Sayville?
Sayville. They've done that work for years.
Yeah, they're the best. I don't think I'd go anywhere else. These guys are really good. They know their stuff. Pristine condition. I wonder if your wife knew this was a limited edition.
I don't think we did. We just spent a long time looking. This is the color she wanted. It took quite some time to find it.
Very rare. Love the Fox shocks too. Very cool. Bitchin', man. Also on the skid plate, she added the H2. Nice touch. Not overly done. Yeah, let's check out the motor. Oh God, gorgeous. Wow. Oh God, this has got to be the nicest one I've ever seen. You know, over the years, I probably sold 100 of these Hummers, and I've only seen maybe 6 in the SUT, and then the wagon version in the Silver Ice Metallic. And this
Very clean, the indices.
very special truck. How clean this is. Jeez. That's a great collector piece. Lumber guys out there. Cool. Let's go for a ride. Two weeks old. Sheesh. You can still see the nubbies on the tires. Gorgeous. I like how it's undercoated too. Very important.
Yeah, it's also a truck shop.
Let's go for a ride, Eddie. Man, it is cold out there. Really punchy with the gears, huh?
I'm taking it easy, actually. Hey, look over the wheel. Look at it. Look at it. That's right. I'm not even touching the steering wheel.
Wow.
I'm not touching the steering wheel. Look at it.
It's a lot to be said about those guys.
Yeah, they're the best.
Truck shop.
They're the best in the Northeast.
They really are. That's beautiful. Love this brushed metal too in here. So pretty. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.